Hey guys, Pink here. Today let's model a light, okay, like this one. So actually I'm going to show you this one. So I modeled this one. I modeled it in a generic model adaptive. So okay, so let's start. So first, create a family, generic model adaptive. Okay, so go to floor plan. So first, let me just draw a circle, so I know roughly how big this light will be. So maybe I'll something like this one. Okay, so now let's do the lighting. Okay, so reference, spline through point, draw our work plan, and then let's we'll start from here roughly, and then go inside. And then roughly back to this point. Okay, and let's go to 3D view, and now I can delete this point. I can delete this. Yeah, I'm not going to make it parametric, so I'll delete this circle. So now we have this spline. So we need now we need to adjust all these points. So let me have a look. So I'll select these two. So see the first point and the last point, I'll leave them there, and I'll just select the second. Okay, so 2 points, and then offset. Let me type in -200. Maybe that's too much. -100. Okay, and then select these two. -200. These two. -300. And then this one, this one, -400, and this one, and where am I? Oh, here. -400, and then this one, and this one, -600. Where am I? Oh, here. Next, 600, 700, 700, and then -800. Maybe, yeah, maybe that's too big, or the number is too big. Maybe we will still need to adjust. So here, let's just click on this, go to the side view, and then we can select these points. So for example, move up a little bit. So you just use the keyboard. So use the keyboard arrow, go up. So to make the maybe all the points, it's too much. So you can use shift and the arrow. So it's so without a shift and with shift. Okay, so and so let's just adjust them to okay, so let's have a look. Maybe, or so let's have a look of the image. So the top one is quite flat, so maybe we need to go so go back to the side view, and we need to move these points up, and as well as this one, and then the whole. So now the top will be quite flat, and then go down the I think that's quite okay. right? So now we just need to see here, it's not very smooth. So if you go to the top view, so you can see, so we just need to adjust this point, so to make the curve to match. You can just move the point, and also you can look at here, so maybe make it more circle. Alright, so we just use the keyboard. I think it's quite good. What do you think? Now let's go I'll just create a point, just place a point, draw our face, and I'm going to place it close to this the first one. Okay, I'll just place it here, and then draw a profile. So in this exercise, it's going to be a rectangular shape. So I'll draw a reference rectangle, draw our work plan, set work plan, pick this work plan, and draw a rectangular shape. So let's have a look. 15 is like one finger. Oh, that's pretty much it. So let me just try. Okay, try select this path, the spline, and this profile, and create form. So okay, so see, this part is quite good. See, all straight, and then when it goes down, it go rotate. See, rotate, and when it go up, it's not matching here. Okay, so now what we need to do is let me just Control Z, go back, and I'll select this one, CC, copy, and then select this point, pick new host, pick it here, and you can see here, although this point is 0 degree, but it rotates relative to this one. So what we need to do is just tell roughly, let me negative 30, maybe a little more, negative 40, and okay, maybe negative 39 or negative 38. Yep. So now let's try again. So 1, 2, 3, create form. Don't worry about this gap, we will close it later. So all good, and then here, see, it rotate again at the bottom here. So let's Control Z, go back, and then what we need to do is we need to copy this again and place this point, pick new host roughly here. Okay, and actually I'm going to copy another one and place it roughly, maybe you can just move your point and see where it's not very straight. I'll just place it here. Okay, and then this one I'll rotate maybe 45 degree. Yep, maybe 42, 41. Yep, good. So this one 40, maybe 50, 45. Yeah, so 1, 2, let's try again. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, create form. Okay, so good, all good, a little bit good here, so it's not quite good here, so maybe we need another two, so one here and one here. Okay, Control Z, and I'll copy one and place new host roughly here, and another one, it's about here, so place the point, pick new host about here, and then this one I'll rotate 0 degree, maybe 20, maybe 10. Okay, good. And this one, let's have a look. So 0 degree. Yep, 0 degree is fine. So now, excuse me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 path. Create form. So now this. Hang on, what's happening here? No, it's okay. I'll just leave it. It's quite good. This, so see, it's all the way all quite straight, vertical, and then what we can just close this. So here, so just change the num to 1, and this one change to 0. So oh sorry, 0. Okay, and let's go to floor plan. Let's just move the point to change it to wireframe, and we just need to move the point. Just try to tab and select not this one, temporary hide, H, and this point. Yes, this point will be the host point of this spline, so you can move them. Try to move this point as close as possible. You won't be able to make just connect them because you will break this sweep. Okay, so I think it's good enough, and you will see. Let me go back to 3D view and change that to shade, and you will see that's a little bit of angle difference between them, but I think it's, hang on, let me temporarily hide this one. So look at that. So this maybe just 1 degree difference. I'll select this one and -1, or maybe positive, yeah, or maybe not 1 degree. Hang on, let me have a look at it. So maybe let's try 0.2. Okay, 0.3 degrees difference. Yeah, I think it's quite good now. So go back. So now what you can do is select this, try to select this profile. So I'll temporarily hide this again. So HH. So now you can select this profile and create form. I'm able to create form element. Maybe because it's too small, the gap is too small. It's small when it's smaller than maybe 0.8 millimeter, so you won't able to create it. So maybe I'll go back. Yeah, sorry about that. So let's just move this point back a little bit, and then try to create this profile. Go back to 3D view. And try to create this form again. Still probably that's still too close to each other. So let's move back a little bit more. Go to 3D view. Now select these two, create form. So now we can create this form, and then HR. So yeah, that's it. So you can still adjust the shape if you want to. So you can turn it to wireframe, and then you can move the point. You can move the point to adjust the shape if you want, and also then you can give it a material. So for example, I can create a material, or you can create a material parameters if you want to. So here I'm going to create a new material and then maybe some metal. Okay, and then let's just pick a color. Oh, this one nice, red. And okay, and shade. hang on, no, it's not showing. Go back to material. Which one? Metal appearance. Okay, just use render. So okay, so this color will will be shown in shade view. Okay, so this is red, and then also if you look at that, so you need to have some what's that called, diffuser lighting. So you will need another color. So what we can do is we just go manage material, and then we can just create a new like diffuser or something, and then we just I'm not sure if there's a I haven't used Revit to render for years, so I'm not quite sure about all the material here. But so if that's just a generic model, you can just use this one, I believe. So maybe just give it the yellowish color, and then I'm not sure about all these, but yeah, let's try this. So once I have this, I'll just give it a yellow color for the shade view, and so okay, and then go to modify, paint here, paint, and pick this the effect diffuse, so you can just paint the side or the underneath. Okay, for example this one, so like this, or maybe on the top as well, and then okay, then that's it. So and the only thing is, because this is a mass adaptive family, you won't be able to, I'm not sure if it's possible, but I can't find any lighting, and you can create a lighting fixture. You can create a lighting fixture, so we'll have this one. So what's that? Light source. So you can load this light fixture into this generic model adaptive, but I'm not sure if this, so you will have this that's it. So maybe I need to move it down to some here. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, if you have any question, let me know. Otherwise I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.